Imagine the early 1980s. The world is changing, and the automotive industry is searching for new directions. In 1984, Volkswagen unveiled the second generation of its best-selling model. But today we're not talking about just another utilitarian workhorse. We're talking about a legend that revolutionized the concept of affordable driving fun. Meet the Volkswagen Golf 2 GTI. This is a car that didn't just earn respect on the road. It became a cult phenomenon, a symbol of an entire era, and a benchmark for hot hatchbacks that competitors around the world aspired to match. The exterior of the Golf 2 GTI is the quintessence of German pragmatism combined with a sporty character. It features recognizable, chiseled body lines, wide moldings, a sleek spoiler on the trunk lid, and signature alloy wheels. An interesting feature of the exterior lies in the details of the front lighting. Depending on the trim level and model year, the car could roll off the assembly line with either a classic 2-headlight setup or an aggressive 4-headlight grille, which added a sense of solidity and depth to the front end. At the same time, Volkswagen engineers understood perfectly well that an everyday sports car had to be practical. That's precisely why the GTI's iconic status in no way limited buyers in their choice of body style. You could choose the sleek and lightweight 3-door version with long door openings, or the more practical 5-door version, which comfortably accommodated family or friends without losing a shred of its spirited character. Open the door, and you're transported into a truly unique atmosphere. The driver and passengers are greeted by those very same legendary Recaro seats with enhanced lateral support. They seem designed to hold you in place as the car confidently carves through sharp turns. Before your eyes is a sleek yet informative instrument panel, dominated by the signature MFA multi-display, which was a true technological marvel for its time. It could display average fuel consumption, travel time, oil temperature, and other important metrics. The 3-spoke sports steering wheel fits perfectly in your hands, and the seating position, despite the car's overall compactness, is surprisingly ergonomic and comfortable. But the most important part was hidden under the hood. That's where the heart of this car beat. The first versions of the GTI were equipped with a 1.8-liter engine featuring Cagetronic mechanical fuel injection, producing 112 horsepower. By today's standards, that figure is modest, but let's remember the car's curb weight, just under a metric ton. Later, an even more spirited 16-valve 16V version appeared, boosting power to 139 forces. The Golf 2 GTI drove completely differently from the standard models. Its stiff, tightly tuned suspension, responsive steering without excessive power assistance, and manual transmission provided that very pure analog connection to the road that car enthusiasts miss so much today. The car encouraged you to drive fast, but it did so honestly and in a way that was clear to the driver. The Volkswagen Golf 2 GTI has long since ceased to be just a used car. Today, it's a collectible classic sought after by purists and restorers around the world. It's a car from an era when engineers built cars with soul and driving pleasure was measured by the driver's emotions. Leave a comment below if you'd like to learn about the history of other legendary cars, and which ones. Then subscribe to the channel and hit like so you don't miss the next episode.